had a drink in Cosmic Rays, a bit hot. We managed to have some photos taken and we went on the People Mover. We've not done a lot of rides today because I thought it was quite, well, I didn't think it was busy, but it's absolutely manic. Heaven knows how we're going to see the fireworks. I really haven't got a clue, but anyway, we're going to eat in Liberty Tree Tavern now. We've never done it before, so I'm really excited because obviously it's a perfect restaurant for this evening. And then we're going to try, I use the words try, to get a viewing spot for the fireworks and the show. So let's go and eat. We made it! The wait was horrendous to get in. I just told our server Ginny that we're in a rush, so she's going to bring everything together. I know it's a bit daft, but I'm worried to death we're not going to get to see the fireworks. But let's have a little look around the restaurant while we wait. It's really old worldy. Very colonial. Is that the word I'm looking for? Very colonial. I'm being very quick because I'm very aware that people are eating, and the last thing they want when they're eating is me putting the camera in their face. So I'm going to sit back down and we'll see what happens. So first course has come. We've got bread and we've got looks like sea salt on the top. I love butter with sea salt. And then we've also got a salad. The main course has come. We didn't have any pork, so we've got, what's it called? It's a beef, I forget now, turkey and stuffing and some cranberries there. We've got some green beans, macaroni cheese, potato and gravy, and it looks absolutely delicious. That was absolutely delicious. We didn't do it much justice though, I have to say. But we love the mac and cheese with some sort of beef. Hot pot, that's it, a hot pot. Hot pot is beautiful. It must be beef cooked really slowly. Absolutely delicious, we really enjoyed that. And now I've got some sticky toffee pudding and the check coming. So yeah, ladies like sticky toffee pudding, do you? You sure you don't want to try any? Great, I love that. Look at that sticky toffee pudding. Delicious. So that's it, I'm done. Blake doesn't want any. So it's time to pay and find a slot for the fireworks. It is raining. Do you like my hat?
Now what's going to be done?
It's not only raining, it's thundering and lightning, so I don't actually understand why we're all still outside. I don't actually understand why they've not been cancelled. Capacity is at capacity in front of the castle, but apparently the fireworks are all around the edge and it's a better viewing from the border. So that's what we're doing, we're on the periphery so we can see the fireworks. So fingers crossed, but I don't know what's going to happen because it's pouring down. Look at that man with his 4th of July hat. Can you see? He's got his 4th of July hat on. And it's pouring. Why are we still standing here? enjoy the fireworks? Hope you did. We were told to stand on the periphery for the better view. Personally, I think I would have rather have seen this, and that's just the back. But they had a very little stage projection show apparently, with the flag on, but the fireworks were on the outside, so don't know, didn't see it, but we enjoyed the fireworks when it stopped raining. So we're going to head back now. We've got a busy day tomorrow. We're off to Toy Story Land again, and then off to Animal Kingdom where we're going to do Rivers of Light. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click thumbs up and subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.
2018 or time. Somebody make some noise.